Alright, testing saringan. Just the project, REDCap project. Alright, okay. Then API generate API or create API token now. Click create a new API token. API token has been created. Now you see the API token. Now go to main repository, go to REDCap Power BI connector, click code, click download zip, right? And then go to create a new folder, create a new folder named Power BI Desktop, and then move the zip file that you download from GitHub to here, extract it, right? This is the one that I extracted, and then create a new folder named Custome Connectors, and inside here you should have Power BI REDCap MEZ approach pq query.pq. Alright, so the file sits inside Custome Connectors inside Power BI desktop that you created inside the my document folder. If you go back to REDCap and you click API Playground, you could see that the token that we created just now, and also the URL, which is this one, right? This is the URL. It should have /API, and then you can copy this one, right? Copy, and you go back to Power BI desktop and click get data, and here you type REDCap, and you should see Power BI to REDCap connector. Click there, click connect, continue, and the URL is the one that you copy just now, and it should have /API/, and then this is the token, so you have to go back to the URL just now to get the token, which is this one. And then you can type this one as label headers, checkbox, survey, data access, and then you can click OK. Now it will show you REDCap Power BI anonymous, then click connect, and there you go. You are now connecting Power BI with your REDCap, so you can also load data. Right, so loading, (13 rows loaded). Right, so you should be seeing your data inside Power BI.